Hello everyone, and it's again that time of the month where Alberta has announced its latest processing numbers, and we will quickly have a look into that. So, as we discussed in our last presentation, Alberta has a total allocation of 6403 for 2026, out of which it has already issued 405, so a little less than 10%, and 5964 slots are still remaining. We will see how this 5964 number builds up, but there is some additional update here. So there would be 10,000 federal immigration spaces available for practice ready physicians and francophones. So this additional allocations will be available to doctors and francophones in Canada or abroad. However, one important update is that any nominations issued by AAIP under this category will not count towards the 6403 number. There is no new stream or pathways which will be created. Existing AAIP streams design will apply. Okay, now let's look into the numbers. As always, I have put the processing numbers on my whiteboard just to give context on how the numbers have changed. Alberta Opportunity Stream has 3170 slots remaining, followed by dedicated healthcare pathway, which has 466 slots remaining. Priority sector has 518. Tech pathway has 566 slots remaining. Law enforcement, I don't think they have done any declaration or changes. Anyways, it has a very small percentage of allocations. Rural renewal stream also, they haven't declared any new allocation, so those numbers haven't changed yet. And there is some small change on the tourism and hospitality with 121 slots remaining. So we have seen changes across most of the streams. There have been allocations, there have been nominations which are issued, and those are impacted here. Now let's go back to the web page and see the dates. So as we were discussing, AOS has 3,170 slots remaining, and it is currently processing applications from October of 25. So not very dated. Rural renewal stream hasn't yet declared its numbers. Let's see how the number goes. Tourism and hospitality is still in January of 2025, so it doesn't have much applications to be processed, but for some reason it is still very dated. It's like more than a year now, so I'm hoping this number would change soon. Healthcare pathway is in January of 2026, so not very dated, and the other streams in the express entry are in October of 2025. So I would say that apart from the tourism and hospitality, which has only 150 slots available to them, other slots are doing pretty good. Like all other streams are in October 25, and healthcare pathway is in fact in 2026. So that's a good thing. Now let's look into the draw information that has been declared. Let's quickly look at the pool. Pool has 45,000 candidates here. I think maximum as expected is still in Alberta Opportunity Stream, and then followed by priority. Oh no, that followed by tourism and hospitality, and then the priority sector pool. That's how the pool looks right now. Okay, let's look into the draws. Alberta declared results of last 4 draws. So AOS draw was done on 2nd February, 57 was the score, and number of invitations is 915. So if you look here, the Alberta Opportunity, let's do a quick search and see and compare the results. Alberta Opportunity Stream 57, this is pretty much in line with the draws that have happened. In fact, yeah. So it's pretty much in line with 50 with the draws that happened. 57 is still on a lower side, I would say. So I would assume many people would have got invitations on that. Accelerated Tech Pathway did a draw. Let's compare the Tech Pathway results. So Tech Pathway, and the score was 63, which is on a higher side, I would say. No, yeah, like on the higher side, not very high, but still on the higher side. 148 nominations were issued, and there were 2 dedicated healthcare pathway draws both under express entry and non-express entry, and these are the results. So non-express entry had a score of 45 and express entry had a score of 61. So non-express entry, I think, is getting a better draw, I would say. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much in line with what non-express entry has been drawing, low 50s and less than 50. And the express entry part, let's look into that. The express entry part is high. Okay, is higher than last time. Okay, so the express entry part of the dedicated healthcare pathway is on the higher side. Good. And 63 nominations were issued. So even though the score was high, the number of invitations issued were more, so which means that there are a lot of people in the pool which are also in express entry. So I think that this is what this would indicate, and that's a good thing. Like, you, as I have explained and discussed in this channel multiple times, you should have your profile both in the Alberta pool and in the express entry pool, because just keeping everything in one pool is not advisable. So please don't do that. Okay. So I think, yeah. So this is the update from Alberta as on 5th of February 2026. And if you have any questions, as always, you can reach out in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.